Hello there. Today I'd like to review the Milwaukee L4 HL2 headlamp. It's a great little headlamp for all you DIY enthusiasts, or for a great work tool if you're working in trades where you need a bit of light thrown onto your workplace. Let's have a closer look. The Milwaukee L4 HL2 headlamp is a powerful and versatile lighting solution designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It delivers up to 600 lumens of bright, adjustable light, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks. The headlamp features a comfortable, adjustable strap that ensures a secure fit for extended use. It has a red lithium USB rechargeable battery with a long run time. It is IP54 rated for water and dust resistance, and it's lightweight and adjustable for a secure, comfortable fit. Overall, the Milwaukee L4 HL2 headlamp is a reliable and high performance option, offering excellent brightness and durability. Its rechargeable battery and comfortable design make it a great investment for those needing dependable, hands-free lighting. The Milwaukee L4 HL2 headlamp comes with 5 light modes: hybrid mode, spot high, spot low, stagger high, and stagger low. Well, there you have it. The Milwaukee L4 HL2 headlamp. It's comfortable, reliable, has a rechargeable battery, and it's great for any of those areas where you need to have a bit of light thrown on your workplace. Hope you enjoy it.